Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's go ahead and start by checking out the exercise. This exercise is all about gaining control when the fingers on your fretting hand are in a stretched position. And I personally really love a simple exercise like this that gets my fretting hand moving. But if you are curious about the theory and you'd like to go down that rabbit hole a bit, you should start by looking at each one of these shapes as a 3-note chord. Now the 3 notes in each one of these shapes can actually create a handful of different chords. And the naming of the chord really has to do with context. So what you can do to give yourself a bit of a brain stretch is identify all of the notes in each one of these shapes and then basically just do a simple Google search. What chords can I create with these 3 notes? And you should get some good hits, and that should be a really good starting place. Because from there, you can start to extract which chord shapes we have here and then ultimately why they work well together. But the big thing here, as it is with many of our warm-ups, is to really take your time and make sure you're executing this at a high level and that every note is ringing out clearly. And if you just give this your best effort for about 5 to 10 minutes, you should be very well prepared for the session ahead. And then you can move on to all the other songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.